We are My Maker's Touch, a husband and wife team dedicated to transforming and upscaling fine pieces of furniture to satisfy the style of our clients. We find well-constructed pieces of classic, mid-century, and vintage furniture, then restore, redesign, and refinish them to their former glory. Here are some of the before and after examples. Our first priority is the performance of our pieces. We place an emphasis on making sure drawers fit and slide well, and that the furniture stands stable. We then focus our attention on preparing the surface for the finish. This is a detailed process which includes patching, veneer repair when applicable, sanding, unique preparations whether the piece is to be stained or painted. We are then ready to move into the paint, stain, or unique finish portion of the makeover. Designs are painstakingly considered to complement the piece and meet the client's desires. Currently, approximately 50% of our pieces are created for sale to the general public. The rest is commissioned work. Furniture-grade paints are sprayed to a factory finish, then sealed. Stains are applied by hand and spray sealed multiple times. The goal is to satisfy the client with a timeless piece of elegant furniture that looks brand new. We leave it up to our clients to determine whether we have achieved that goal. Here is what some of them have said.